ace that test. Not in a million years. How in the heck am I supposed to know this stuff? I mean, mitosis? Come on! Sounds like a disease. And meiosis 1 and 2? Why are there 2 of them? Why is it so bright outside? Stupid Alaska.
Hey, it's about midnight. Go to sleep. Don't make me come up
Yes,
there.
Mom. Good night, Mom. I guess I should get some sleep. Maybe some miracle will happen in my sleep and make me smart enough to pass that test. Is that a fly? I'm gonna kill that fly!
Don't touch me. I'm not a fly! Oh, I see how it's gonna be. I guess I'm not gonna tell you about how mitosis works.
Wait. You're the fairy of mitosis? What can you do to help me?
I can tell you everything you need to know about that test tomorrow. Just follow me.
Follow you where?
Why, to see how mitosis works, of course.
Would that include shrinking?
Of course. Are you afraid?
Not afraid. More like allergic.
Bah humbug. Now let's go.
Oh my god, where are we at?
Well, we're in a cell that's going through mitosis. Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, amazing. What did you do that for?
You're supposed to be impressed. Anyway, here's a cell that's going through mitosis. Mitosis is the process in which divides a cell into 2 parts for growth and repair for the human body.
Okay, I follow you so far, but why does it look like this?
It looks like this because it is going through interphase. Actually, it's going through the first phase of interphase.
Wait, you mean there's more than one phase?
Yes, you seem very surprised. There are 3 phases. The phases are G1, S, and G2. G1 is a growth phase where the cell carries out its routine functions. S is the phase when DNA is copied. G2 is the phase where organelles replicate and microtubules are reassembled. Is that too much for you to handle?
No, that's fine. I understand you.
Okay, now we will go into what comes after interphase. Mitosis. Now we get to see more of the cell.
Oh boy, there's more.
There are 4 phases of mitosis. There's prophase, then metaphase, then anaphase, then telophase, telophase. Let's check out this cell and see what phase it's in now. Looks like this cell's in the middle of prophase. That's the first stage. What do you think it does here?
Oh, I remember this. It prepares for the division of the cell. The chromosomes condense, and the thing around the nucleus breaks down so the chromosomes can spread out.
Yes, that's called the nuclear envelope. Oh, it now looks like it's gone to its second phase, metaphase. What do you think that does?
Why don't you tell me?
Okay, whatever. Metaphase is the phase where the chromosomes line up in the middle and get attached to the spindle fibers.
Alright, I see where you're going here. What else?
What else? Why, the next phase of mitosis, of course, anaphase. In this phase, the chromosomes are split on the centromere into chromatids and are being pulled apart to opposite poles by the spindle fibers they were attached to.
Are we getting any close to where they divide at?
Why, yes we are. we will go into telophase, or telophase. This is the phase when the line in the middle of the cell forms and it starts to divide into two.
But that's the last stage. I thought they would have divided already.
No. There's one more part. It's not exactly mitosis, though. It's cytokinesis. That's when they finally divided into two by dividing the cytoplasm.
Alright, I say that. Now there are 2 cells.
That's right! Now I've taught you all I can for now, because I am very unsmart. You will be visited by 2 more people. They will show you the other things cells go through, and they'll tell you things that I can't tell you. So, ta-ta for now. Poof!
Hey, wait! Don't leave me here! How am I supposed to get back home?
Quiz time, everyone! What is the second phase of mitosis? Anaphase, telophase, metaphase, or cytokinesis? The answer is metaphase.
Where am I now?
Hello.
Ah! Who are you and what do you want?
I'm the ghost of Meiosis 1. I'm here to teach you
Okay,
about
but you
Meiosis
really
1.
shouldn't scare
obviously.
me like that. Show me meiosis 1.
Alright, now unlike mitosis, the first process has 8 steps. I will be showing you 4. In meiosis 1, the cell divides 2 times to make 4 cells. Now let me explain something to you. Meiosis is for reproduction.
Reproduction? Great. Somehow biology has turned into health class.
Yes, but it's really not that bad. You see, when girls go through the process of meiosis, they make eggs. And when boys go through the process of meiosis, they make sperm. But girls go through meiosis 1, which is what I'm teaching you, while they're still in the womb, while boys don't go through the process of meiosis 1 until after they are of age.
Ew! Don't tell me about that. But I really need to pass my test. So teach away, my fine ghost friend.
Okay, then. Now, like mitosis, the first 4 phases are called prophase 1, anaphase 1, metaphase 1, and telophase 1.
Why do they have ones?
Because they go through that again the second time around. Oh, but I'm not going to tell you about that. Now, the fairy pretty much already said everything you need to know about interphase and cytokinesis, so I won't explain that. Now the tricky part here is that these phases have the same names, but there are a few distinctions between meiosis and mitosis.
Ah, great. Can't wait to hear about this.
Prophase 1 is different. Instead of the chromosomes being spread out like in mitosis, they cross over to mix up their parents' DNA. Then it goes through metaphase 1. In that phase, the chromosomes line up in pairs. Also in anaphase 1, the whole chromosomes separate, not just the chromatids like in mitosis.
Okay, I see. Please continue.
Then it goes through telophase, which you know what that does.
It splits into 2?
Correct! Now it seems like you know all that you need to know about the first part of meiosis. You will be visited by one more person tonight. He will teach you about the second part of meiosis. And you will hopefully understand after all that.
It's quiz time, everybody. Does meiosis 1 make the 2 daughter cells diploid, haploid, superdiploid, or quarter haploid? The answer is, it's haploid.
It's an axe murderer.
Don't be alarmed. I only have a lightsaber.
Oh, and that's supposed to make me feel better?
I'm not going to hurt you. I'm just going to teach you the process of meiosis 2.
How in the heck do you know about meiosis 2? You're a Sith.
Because I know the dark side. I have to know how to influence midichlorians, which are actually a big part of meiosis 2.
What the heck? I've never heard of that before. Is that from Star Trek?
Star Wars! I'm from Star Wars! And you haven't heard about midichlorians because in your world, no one actually knows about it. But only we do in my galaxy far, far away. But what I came here to teach you about is your world, meiosis 2. Now follow me to the Death Star.
Do I seriously have to shrink again? I'm already itching from last time.
Yes, you do, eh?
How do you know my name?
I'm a Sith. I have the Force. What do you think? Now. So, I hear from the ghost that you don't like talking about egg and
Shut up!
Well, it's a very big part of life and the process of meiosis too.
Ah!
The only thing that I have to say about this is that girls go through meiosis 2 when they are of age, and boys go through meiosis 2 at the same time that they go through meiosis 1 when they are of age.
Okay. I didn't think we had to learn anything about this until after spring break.
I'm done, don't worry. Now the thing about meiosis 2 is that it goes through prophase 2 first. In prophase 2, just like the other prophase steps, the chromosomes condense, the enzymes break down the nuclear envelope, and the microtubules make spindle fibers.
Okay, I know that.
Then the chromosomes move to the equator in metaphase 2, and the spindle fibers attach to the chromosomes.
Whoa, is that a clone?
Stormtrooper! They turn into stormtroopers when the Emperor executes Order 66. Duh!
Whatever. Just tell me what happens in anaphase 2.
Good, you're really catching on. Yes, so in anaphase 2, the whole chromosome is split at the centromere, just like in mitosis. So the spindle fibers then pull their chromatids to opposite poles.
That's exactly like mitosis.
Yep, they're not too different after all. And now for telophase 2. The chromosomes uncoil, 2 new nuclear envelopes form around the 2 groups of chromosomes, and spindle fibers disappear. And
Cytokinesis. Just like in mitosis.
correct! Now you know mitosis, meiosis 1, and meiosis 2, inside and out. Now when I electrocute you again, you will be sleeping back in your bed and you will get up, go to school, and ace your tests, but maybe eat breakfast also.
Like so much.
It's quiz time, everybody! Meiosis 2 creates how many cells? A. 1. B. 20,100,542. C. 4,783,847. Or D. 4. I hope you answered D. That's what it is.
Nice job, babe. But hey.
Really?
Oh my god! Stop it! You don't know how, but some. Oh my god, there's a hair! How the heck is that?
It's the wand.